Hello everyone, now I'm here with my next video that is for string manipulation only with 4 functions I want to tell you in this video, and that is equals ignore case compare to ignore case. Actually, why I had taken all 4 together, because directly indirectly they are working in the same way. Actually, they are checking two strings are equal or not. How we are going to apply it, you have to see now. First one is equals function. Equal function checks both the strings are equal or not. What you have to remember, that is it is case sensitive. You have to provide same case if you want correct answer. It provides us boolean as a data type, as a written data type. See, in my example, I've taken two words, that is computer and computer, in WRD1 and WRD2. First one is in uppercase, second one is in lowercase. If we are comparing both the cases, then equals provides us false. That's why I'm getting both are not equal as my output. If I'm writing both the words in upper cases, then what happens? See, it provides us both are equal, means this function is case sensitive function. If I am writing computer and computer both are in upper cases, then it provides us both are equal. If we are providing uppercase lowercase, then it provides us both are not equal. If we want to check whether computer is equals to computer with any of the cases, then we are having our next function, that is equals ignore case function. It always removes a drawback of equals function. That's why I'm always prefer to use this function. This function is used to compare two string, and it is not basically checks cases. It never check cases. That's why it is more beneficial than equals. And this function always returns us boolean value. See, in my example, the word 1 and word 2, WRD1 WRD2, contains computer. One is in uppercase, another one is toggle case. And now it provides us by writing equals ignore case, we are getting true. That's why I'm getting as output both are equal. In your programs, better to use equals ignore case, because it is helpful in every cases. Otherwise, if you are dealing with only uppercase, then you are supposed to use equals. If you are dealing with only lower cases, then equals you can use. If you are using any of the cases, then better to use equals ignore case. Then next, compare to function. We are having equals and we are having equals ignore case. After that, we are having another function who is comparing both the strings. Why? Because equals and equals ignore case never provide us what? Which one is greater and which one is smaller. This function provides us all the things, whether both are equal or not, whether first string is greater than another string, whether second one is greater than first one. It helps us to sort things together. If we want to arrange names alphabetically, then compare to help us for arranging it. See how. This function always compares ASCII code of both string character by subtracting it. How? I'm going to tell you. This function is used to compare ASCII code of both the characters of the strings. And what you have to remember, that is this function is also case sensitive. If you want a correct answer from compare to function, then you have to use same cases. Otherwise, the same problem you have to face. The answer is not correct. And what is the return type of compare to? It's integer value. Why? Because this function is used to subtract ASCII codes of characters present in different strings. And one more thing what you have to remember, function always returns first difference, any of the difference. But we can have so many differences. For example, if I am taking Aman and Udit, first string is Aman and next string is Udit, the first difference we are getting from A subtract by U, first difference we are getting. If I am taking Ankit and Ankita, A common, N common, K common, I common, T common. But the next difference what we are getting, one character is extra in Ankita other than Ankit. Means the first difference we are getting after how many characters? After 5 characters, ANKIT, Ankit. After 5 characters we are getting first difference. This function is used to find the first difference of ASCII codes. And if we are having output of a particular function of compared to function, then the result is, if we are getting 0 as a return type value, then both the strings are equal. Answer is both the strings are equal. If we are getting a positive value, then it means first string is greater than second string. Means if we are subtracting 5 with 4, then what we are getting? 1 as a positive difference. If we are subtracting 4 with 5, 4 minus 5, then we are getting minus 1, means negative difference. If we are getting a negative difference, then it means first string is smaller than second string. See how. If I am taking example of A, B, C, D. First one is in capital letters, another one is small letter. I have told you earlier, this function is also case sensitive. WRD1 dot compare to WRD2 equals to 0. What this function provides us, we have to see. If it provides us 0, when we are getting 0? When all the characters difference we are getting 0, then we are getting answer as 0 by compared to function. If we are getting first difference as a positive value or a negative value, then we have to write WRD1 dot compare to WRD2 greater than 0 if a positive value occurs. Otherwise else at a negative value we are having. See, if all the differences is 0, then both are equal. If we are getting positive difference, it means first string is greater than second string. If we are getting negative difference, then it means first string is smaller than second string, means second one is greater than first one. And in this case, what we are getting? First string is smaller than second string. Why? Because remember, ASCII code of small a starts from 97. In capital A starts from 65. If we are subtracting 65 with 97, means 65 minus 97, what we are getting? Minus 32. It means first string is smaller than second string. That's why we are getting the output first string is smaller than second string. See, with the help of images, I want to tell you what I have told you earlier. The same thing I had written here. WRD1 ABCD, WRD2 ABCD. First one is capital, another one is small. A starts with 65, small starts with 97. The difference of both ASCII value is 65 minus 97 minus 32. The first difference we are getting is minus 32 means negative value, which means first one is smaller than second string. The next one, next example of compared to I'm taking. If I'd written Ankit and Ankita, means first string contains 5 letters, another string contains 6 letters. First 5 is similar to the next string. See, if I am writing compared to, sometime in papers this kind of things occurs. They are asking for the output value. What I had written, see, system.out.println written value. Sometime ICSE board want to ask about all these things. They are going to provide 2 words and they are going to ask what the difference compared to provides us. That's why I've written in this way also. WRD1 dot compared to WRD2. Now this shows us what value we are getting it. Now, if both are equal, then we are getting both. If we are having 0 as a return type value, then we are getting both are equal. If we are getting a value of positive order, then first string is greater than second string. If we are getting negative value, means first string is smaller than second string. Now what we are getting as output, say we are getting -1. Why it is -1? I want to show you. See, Ankit means A and A. When we are subtracting A with A, means 65 with 65 is 0. We are getting difference? No. N 78 78. We are getting 0 again. Means any difference? No. K 75 K 75. Difference? 0. Again 0. I T T 0. Till T we are getting 0. And this function provides us first difference. Till now we are not getting difference. And then what we are having? Next one. Nothing minus A means we are having one character in second string, means second one is larger than first one and having extra one character. That's why we are writing -1. If we are writing +1, it means first string is having one character extra than second string. Others were similar. I think you are able to get what I want to say. If second string is having one character extra, means it provides -1. If second string is having 2 characters extra, means it provides you -2. If first string is having 2 extra characters, then it provides you +2. Presently we are getting negative value, that's why first string is smaller than second string. See the next one. Compare to ignore case. I've told you earlier, compare to have one drawback, that is we have to provide same cases. Then this function provides you a correct value, otherwise not. To avoid, to reduce, to remove this, we are having compare to ignore case. Then in compare to ignore case, what we are going to do? Same thing what compare to is going to do. Compare to ignore case is also doing the same thing. What you have to remember? This function ignore cases. That's it. Everything is similar to compare to function. Only difference is it is case free. Otherwise everything is same. I think I'm not supposed to explain all these things again and again. So I'm moving to next slide. See, again what we are getting. Ankit, Ankit. First one in lowercase, another one is capital letters, uppercase. What we are getting as a value, return type value, WRD1 dot compare to ignore case WRD2. It provides us 0. 0 means when we are getting 0, it indicates us both the strings are equals. Remember that? That's why we are getting both are equal. It is case free. It never shows us a difference of ASCII codes of uppercase and lowercase. Doesn't matter. Uppercase, lowercase doesn't matter in compared to ignore case. That's why it provides us 0. See in my next example. I had taken Ankita and Ankit. Ankit A means already 4 A Ankita having first one and 3 last. But Ankit is having only 1 A. Means Ankit, everything is okay. But 3 A creates a difference. Now see what happened. Written value of Ankit A and Ankit by using compare to ignore case, what we are getting is 3. Means first string is having 3 letters extra than the next string. That's why we are getting positive value as 3. If I am writing Ankita as second word, then we are getting -3 as written value because second string contains 3 extra characters. Presently, what we are having? First string with 3 extra letters. That's why we are having output 3. And then the programs provides us first string is greater than second one because we are having positive difference. Thanks for watching. I think you are able to understand what I want to say. And if you are able to understand, then press like, otherwise it's okay. If you are having any problem, you can ask by writing comments.